So you have the opportunity to create a lasting and effective social and emotional learning strategy for your school. But knowing where to start, or how to get unstuck, can feel overwhelming. At the Collaborative for Academic, Social, and Emotional Learning, or CASEL, we're here to share what we've learned about implementing SEL. Our online course, Leading Schoolwide SEL, can help you create an SEL action plan for your school community. The course is designed to set you up for success that's sustainable. Our experienced team will walk you through the whole process. It starts with helping your community develop a shared understanding of what school-wide SEL actually means. Then, we'll show you how to engage others to build support and develop an SEL vision for your school. Next, we'll discuss how to deepen the SEL expertise of the adults in your school and build a supportive work environment to teach and model social and emotional skills. We'll share real-life examples for how to promote SEL for students in the classroom, the school building, and in partnership with families and community organizations. Along the way, you'll be able to set goals for your work, complete with action steps and a plan to track progress. This course is designed for school leadership and teams and can also be helpful for district and regional leaders who support schools. While taking the course, you'll be able to connect with others on this journey with you and lean on expert guidance from CASEL, empowering you to inspire and lead your school's SEL work. If you're ready to get started or revitalize a school-wide approach to SEL, gather your team and register today.